Okay, I am on the Carnival Horizon and I'm going to take you for a tour of our Ocean Suite 7363. All right, so this is what you see when you first walk in the door. It's a nice, spacious room. There are 3 of us in this room, so there's 3 beds made up. This bed right here can be a one-size king-size bed, or you can separate them into 2 beds. It comes with 2 end tables with storage. And then there is the controls for the lighting above the bed, which is handy if you are in bed. Over here, you have a vanity desk area, and we thought that the fridge would be in this cabinet. It is not. It is actually the safe, which is kind of different. Mostly rooms have the safe in the closet area, so it took us a bit to find it. We got it. I will show you the controls for charging and power. You've got 2 120 volt plugs and 2 USB plugs. Quick note about the hairdryer. You will find it in the top drawer of this desk. It is built in with a very short cord, which makes it tricky to use comfortably, especially if you're trying to use the mirror. If a hairdryer is part of your routine, I definitely recommend bringing your own. And then over here is the TV, fridge, and storage. There's a look at the fridge. And now we're gonna walk over here to the closet area. A nice, beautiful walk-in closet with a full-length mirror. It's absolutely wonderful. This side you have hanging capabilities and some shelving. This side here is nothing. This door doesn't move and there's no space in there. So on this side, it's just the one space. Then on this side, you have 2 closet doors and both areas hold clothing. So this side is hanging and then just some space at the bottom, and then this side is all shelves. So you have quite a bit of storage space in this room, which we enjoy. And what I really like is that the lights turn on with motion. So that's kind of cool. And across from the closets is the washroom. All right, so this is a beautiful washroom because it comes with 2 sinks. A nice size mirror with shelving on both sides. And then a tub. Really nice. And there's like so much space for moving around in here. I know sometimes if you've been on some Carnival cruises or any cruises, I'm sure the bathrooms can be kind of tiny, but this room is wonderful. Lots of space for moving around. Lots of great space for 3 of us. We had no problems being in this room, that's for sure. And now, I'm gonna show you the balcony. And because it is an Ocean Suite balcony, it is a tiny bit bigger than a standard size balcony. You get 2 chairs and a table on this side. I'll show you a little bit of the view. We are on our second sea day back home. Below us, you do see a deck, but it was fairly quiet for most of our trip. And then above us, you have full privacy. And then down on this end, you have another chair. 3 chairs total. And a table. Lots of space for the 3 of us. We really enjoyed this room. It ended up being one of our favorites. But if you are a fan of balcony views, you are in for a treat. My next video features a stunning Havana aft corner cabin with a wraparound balcony that our friends let us tour. So definitely stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy cruising.